Hey there and welcome. Believe it or not, but you can actually learn a lot of stuff from ChatGPT. One of the things I want to teach you today is the psychological trigger swap hack. Okay. Now, I already knew this, but I didn't really know the name for this particular technique. And now it's your turn to also learn it. Now, when copywriting, normally you go straight for it, which means that, for example, if you want to say something, you would probably say it direct. Here, ChatGPT has given us a clear example. Save hours of your time with our tool. Okay, let's say you're trying to sell software, or your customer is trying to sell software, and they've asked you to write a title for their email or a headline for their email to grab attention. And you wrote something which is good. It says save hours of your time with our tool. Okay, but let's just say that you do, or you make a change to it, which is using the psychological trigger swap. So instead of saying save hours, you can say stop wasting time. So this is reverse psychology. So you can take anything and you can say to ChatGPT, reverse the psychology behind it, okay? Or write this in reverse psychology, or using the reverse psychology method. Now here, the original quote or the original subject line was save hours of your time with our tool. And the hack was stop wasting time. Our tool helps you take control now, right? That is much better, right? Now I'll say, give me more examples. Give me more examples, because we want to obviously learn as much as possible about this, because this is what makes the difference between copy that converts and copy that doesn't convert. So here, desire for gain. Okay, unlock unlimited potential with our premium membership. Instead of that, you could say something like, don't miss out, all right? That's fear of missing out, the FOMO. You basically use FOMO. It's called fear of missing out. You let people know that if they don't do this, then they're going to miss out on it. Don't miss out on unlocking the potential you're losing by not upgrading now, okay? It's pretty cool. Here is another one. Join over 10,000 people who trust our service. You can say something else, which is, are you still missing out while 10,000 others are already ahead? This offer is only available to our elite members. Everyone is using this now. Don't get left behind. Then there's the pleasure of enjoyment versus pain of regret. Experience the comfort of our new mattress. And you can use regret, which is imagine how uncomfortable you'll be tomorrow if you don't upgrade to a better mattress today. Security versus fear of risk. Our service ensures your data is fully protected. Every day you wait, your data could be at risk. Don't leave it unprotected. All right, so here's the thing. I'm actually going to give ChatGPT a headline. So let's say that my headline is, right, unlock 100 plus hours of AI content, right? Unlock 100 plus hours of AI content. Let's see. So here's a psychological swap for your unlock 100%. I didn't even need to ask it what to do because it already knows. And so here it says, still behind 100 plus hours of AI content waiting to fast track your success. Don't miss out. Okay. So that is pretty good. How about I say, keep it short, maybe use the FOMO except for keep it short, right? So it says here's a shorter version. Let's see the shorter version. 100 plus hours of AI content, don't miss out. Yeah, that's a pretty good way to put it. I actually use this a lot in my marketing techniques or marketing. Let's say that we have a product for being or getting leaner. I'm going to say get sugar defender today. Let's say 16 bottles left. Let's see. So here, let's see. All right. Get Sugar Defender today, 16 bottles left. All right. The gain is get Sugar Defender today, 16 bottles left. Only 16 bottles of Sugar Defender left. Grab yours before it's gone. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So maybe you should introduce the fear of missing out a little bit more in your copywriting techniques or in your copywriting. I think that is going to be really good. And I'm hoping that you've learned something pretty good as a hack from this particular lecture, and I wish to see you in the next videos. Wishing you the best as always, Passive Income Gen Z, and signing out.